loves, good morning! Welcome in today's vlog. So guys, how are you all? How is everybody? It's almost Holy Week. It's already April. And my pimple is still here. And oh my god, I have tissue all over my mouth. Some foundation. No foundation. Powder. And I have a lot of friends here too on my chin, around my mouth area. Because I was indulging myself too much on chocolate. So yan. So today is Friday already, April, I don't know, 5. I forgot, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 5, April 5. And yeah, me and Rookie are heading out to run some errands again. A lot of errands this week, guys. So he's waiting for me. Nakaandar na yung sasakyan. So hindi pa ako nakapag-lunch, but we need to go now. So maybe we'll just have, or I'll just have lunch. I don't know if Rookie had lunch already, but we'll just have lunch maybe doon na lang sa doon after sa lakad namin. We'll see. So yeah, hopefully I'm gonna see you later. Yeah, hopefully, kasi minsan nakakalimutan ko mag-film talaga, guys. I'm really sorry, but yan, minsan pag marami nang serious stuff na ginagawa. So hopefully see you later. So we're done, guys. Doon kami galing. Ang init, yay! It feels like summer. So eating time. It's my first time trying this one, the shawarma shop, kasi nanap namin yung ayan, Turks, pero walang Turks doon eh. Sayang na, kaya ito lang yung meron. So I'm gonna try this one. Let's see. Whoa! Hump, baby! Hindi ko pa test. Yung
which is more delicious.
Diba yung taste niya? If I'm going to compare this, ito, mas gusto ko yung Turks. Yung lasa ng beef ng Turks kaysa this one. Pero ito, mura lang kasi 95 pesos tapos dalawa na, no? Yung Turks kasi is 75 pesos. Ito is lang, 95 pesos tapos dalawa lang. Dalawa na. Yan, yung saging na binili ni Rookie, ang mahal, 10 pesos each. Grabe.
Tapos magka sa uptown.
Yeah, pag nasa uptown talaga, guys, mahal. Kasi yung kinain ko din na banana cue, grabe, ang mahal, ang liit. 20 pesos, tapos yan, 10 pesos each. Na-shock kami kasi usually, yung 10 pesos, dalawang saging na yan. Well, uptown girl. So, we are going to fetch the things na. I need coffee in my life. Ito, sa uptown, mahal siguro ang abang. That's why. Dito.
Ang abang ito?
Diba? Wow, nandito na naman kami seaside. Ang daming tao. Ayan si ate talagang nag si Baba, guys. Gumamit siya doon sa tester ng ever bilhin na ba? Na lip and chick tint. Bago or katumpara sa ato Pala sa ato nabay bago nga kuan ba? Inana ang ever bilhin na lip and chick tint. Black ang siglanan. Ayan, so no, kita ka? Na dito? Mamo ka nagingon. Minagin nato squishy gyapon. Mamo ka nabisay. Wow. Wala na ate. Wala na si ate. Why did you tell me? Mabara ko ni ate na. We just did some groceries. Yan ako ni ate dati. Paghapon na. Ay, motor man to. Morning. Mga motor. Naman sa kuan. Ay ba? Awaw. Tapos na ay kuan diri na ay mga red ra. Oh my god. Wala. Make way for ate. Ay, nakangit. Hey guys, we're home. Wow, ang pangit ang resolution, but okay lang. So, it is 8:30 and we are planning to watch a movie. tonight because today, unsa ba? Paano ba? Today is Friday. Wala pasok bukas. Ayan, nakaset up na yung ano namin, papanoorin namin. And I'm just going to get some foodie para sa movie. And nakita namin itong ano guys, ito yung dewberry na may flavor pala na ganito. Hindi ko alam na may ganito pala. Yung alam ko lang yung ano, yung blueberry tsaka ano, strawberry. Tapos ito, I haven't tried this one. Is this a new one? Comment below if is this a new one. Kasi hindi ko pa. Tapos ano, I'm gonna drink Coke kasi today is weekend. It's a weekend. It's a weekend. Yes. Well, I cannot see. So, ayan. Kukuha muna ako ng mainom. Uy, Miguel! Also bought some ice cream. I think this is the new flavor from Magnolia Gold Label there. Hindi pa namin to na-try, guys. I think bago to. Salted caramel pretzel. Sana masarap siya. We were, basta yung choices namin, yung bago nito, yung may latte, brownie, tapos may yung mango dark, ano, parang masarap din yung ano, mango dark chocolate. Next time, yun na yung bilhin namin. For now, eto muna, salted caramel pretzel. Wow, I'm excited. So, ito pa pala yung isa kong snack, guys. From Oishi, yung Pods. Tea snack. This is my favorite. Yan. Let's watch. Bye-bye. So, you cannot see me. Kasi madilim. So, I will show you na ano. Taste test of the... My God, ang sarap ng salted caramel. Try. Kuha na lang sa imo. Grabe. Highly recommend, guys. Salted caramel. Naka-sale siya. 238 pesos lang from 250 pesos on sale. Wow. Next, itry natin yung ano ba? Dark mango dark. Masarap.
You did.
Creepy man dito.